Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, this isn't like the most proper intro. I'm just trying my best to be loyal to you guys on YouTube. I'm trying to like come out with more content all the time, or at least like every weekend. So here's a new vlog for you guys. Hey guys, so I am just finishing up with my skincare routine. I used the Avent Thermal Spring Water Spray, the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, and I'm finishing up with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream because oh my god, why is everything falling? It's just so cold lately, and I'm really trying to amp up my winter skincare routine because I hate having dry skin. So I had to fix his hair up a little bit. The straight hair is definitely going to go very soon. But for the meantime, I just fixed it up a little bit because of the humidity of the rain. I didn't use any product in my hair, so my hair is like really delicate right now. Yeah, I'm going to put some oil on and I'm going to take out my umbrella. Might do a little bit of makeup, just in a rush, and I also need to go look for another jacket that I want to wear for today. Makeup time. I'm just gonna make a separate makeup routine video for you guys because I feel like it's a little different than before. But yeah, I don't want to do like a whole makeup routine here because I feel like it's only appropriate to make that into a separate video. Yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick. I'm not gonna do too much. And yeah, just my skin is not skinning, so we're gonna cake some makeup over it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this real quick and I'll show you just some parts of my makeup routine. Today I'm actually going to a cafe again. I'm going to the same one I went to the other day. I think I'm gonna try out coffee for today. I don't know, I've been craving a little bit of coffee, even though I don't really drink coffee. But yeah, I think it's time for me to try out the coffee from there, even though it costs like an arm and a leg. But yeah, I'm gonna try it out today, hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't make me feel like I'm skyrocketing. But yeah, my other vlog of like a day in my life, or spend a day with me, in which I went to the cafe as well, I realized that it did pretty good and I've been getting like good feedback from it. So thank you guys so much for watching that video, and thank you guys so much for supporting me. So I'm gonna continue making them. I know a lot of people like that, so I don't know if I might walk around the town or if I'm just gonna be there for the cafe. Most likely I'm only gonna be there for the cafe. I'm gonna see how long I'm gonna stay in there doing homework. I already have a project that I need to start working on as well. Honestly, I feel like it's starting to get a little crazy for school because of like projects and all that kind of stuff. So it's like I'm trying to get everything ready as soon as possible, and I'm also prepping for the springtime. Okay, listen, your girl had to eat some lunch at home before heading out because there's like no good food around this area, so I made sure to eat before leaving. And here we finally got to the cafe. It was really full actually, so I sat at the counter, or like the bar station, and then I found myself a spot on the couch, so I had a cute view. Okay, we're outside now. I just left the cafe a while ago and I ate McDonald's. My mom brought fries and soda, so now we're outside. Hi, Jared. I found this cute shirt. I might try it on. I'm not exactly sure yet, but the music is way too loud in here. This is a shirt and it's super cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna buy it. I'll probably try it on and see if it fits well. If anything, I might buy it. I'm home now. I've been home for few hours, I think. So I just finished like recording some video clips for some swimwear I got from the brand called Burlook. So I'm gonna post those on TikTok. I need to edit them first because I just finished like filming them. I'm literally wearing a swimsuit right now. But yeah, I just put a robe over because it's cold and I don't feel like walking around in a swimsuit. So anyways, I got a PR package. Excuse that I'm constantly looking at the viewfinder. I don't know what it is, but I got a PR box from Lancome. This is is it my first? No, it's not my first PR package for the year. But it's my first like beauty PR package of the year, I believe. So I got the Mary Phillips. I posted it on my Instagram stories already. This is the Mary Phillips like collection that they're just products that she loves. Yeah, I got a little package and it has all of her favorites, and I did see that I got some new products. Specifically, I want to try this out. It's the Tiny Doll Ultra Wear Care and Glow, and it's like a sunscreen spectrum skincare foundation, and it has pretty high coverage, so I don't think I've ever used this before. Okay, now I remember now. I think I chose this out the other day, so I can't wait to try this out. I love the packaging. I love the white and the gold, so I want to try this out very soon. I hope this matches me. I'm not even sure if it's gonna match me, but I'm hoping it does. It looks kind of dark in the bottle, but I think it's gonna match me because I did choose this color myself, and I saw like the pictures of the models, and she's very like similar to my skin tone, at least on my face. So it's a neutral color. I'm hoping it literally matches me. I also received another goodie of the Juicy Tubes. I already have this color, but I got another one. This is actually one of my favorite colors of the Juicy Tubes, so I keep like backups of them all the time. I love using it with a lip liner. I also got another brown eyeliner. I don't know if I have the same one, maybe. But anyways, another backup to my collection. I have been using like the same products over and over again, and I know that they're literally gonna say goodbye soon. I also got the Advanced Genifique. It's a youth activating concentrate, and it's just like a serum. So I'm gonna try this out as well. This sounds very interesting, and I also love the packaging. I also got another concealer. I'm not sure if it's like the same collection as the foundation, but it is the Tiny Doll Ultra Wear, and I don't know if it's the same one that I had previously received. It might just be. Or I don't know if it's the new one, actually. I don't even know, but I'm gonna use this as well. If you guys know, I've been loyal to my Armani Beauty foundation and concealer. I have a backup of those as well, but I'm probably gonna switch over to Lancome soon. I'm also trying to like use up every single thing that I have. And I also got my favorite Lancome mascara, which is Monsieur Big, and I love this mascara. I've tried it years ago, and I love how it looks on the eyelashes, and I finally have one of my own, like the big size, so I can't wait to use this. And lastly, I got these little mini samples of the UV Expert sunscreen, which I definitely need with this weather. My skin, I'm breaking out and I don't want any acne scars, so I'm going to use these. I'm probably going to throw them in my purse, actually. But yeah, that's the PR unboxing. Thank you to Lancome. I love Lancome. They're one of my favorite makeup brands, and my mom has used them for years, so it's very nostalgic to use Lancome at the same time. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do another makeup routine video on YouTube. If you guys are interested in watching that, because I feel like it's time for me to like switch up my makeup routine and try out more new products. So I'm gonna put these bad boys into my makeup bag. I'm gonna show you guys like how much I've used up my Armani Beauty products. My concealer is gonna give up soon. It's probably like around this area, like right here. But I've used it up so much, so I'm gonna switch over to Lancome once I'm done with that. Actually, I'm gonna start using the Lancome new products anyways, but yeah, I have like so much makeup in here. This is like stuff I use to incorporate into like my everyday natural makeup routine, and I'm also looking for like a new blush because I know my Dior Rosy Glow is gonna say goodbye soon as well, so I'm probably gonna try out like the P. Louise for the cheek of it blush. It's a cream blush, but yeah, I know this Dior is gonna give up soon. It's holding on, but I'm gonna use that up soon. So Hey guys, it's the next day. As you can tell, I no longer have straight hair, so my hair is back to normal. But today I'm gonna do a new video, so it's gonna be separate from this. As I was saying to you guys yesterday, in the other clip, I'm planning on doing like a makeup routine, like an updated makeup routine in another video, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I've just been cleaning up a little bit around my area here where I'm gonna be recording. I already have my makeup bag here. I'm also gonna be wearing this pink shirt that I actually showed you guys yesterday, so yeah, that's what I'm up to right now. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the new video, which I'm probably gonna upload this weekend, hopefully. If not, I'll upload it next weekend. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube. Okay, so I had finished recording that makeup video a few hours ago, so I went to Target and I also got some food. I also went to Costco. And by the way, when I went to Target, I got this yogurt. It's the Yoplait Wheat. It's just some French recipe yogurt. I think I've tried the original French yogurt. Just kind of expensive, but it was pretty good. So I might buy that next time. But I'm gonna try this one out right now. I really like creamy yogurt, so I really love this kind of yogurt. And I also love Icelandic yogurt, which is a little sour, but it's really good. Look, come on, Chimp. Chimp, look. Chimp, look. Hi, Chimp. Anyways, I was just enjoying eating some of my yogurt, and I was also editing another video that I actually already uploaded. So if you haven't watched that, go watch it. And I've been watching like French Riviera or like Monaco walkthrough videos because I just want to imagine myself taking a vacation there.
Hey, don't worry. Hey, don't worry.
These are mine. I think I also went live this night. I literally can't remember anymore, but I just went live like twice that day. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm actually ready to like record TikTok videos. Last night, as you saw, I was live on TikTok for a bit. Yeah, I was tired because it's that time of the month. But anyways, I'm ready to like make TikTok videos. I'm wearing my Rat Boy Bolero top, the set, and I'm also wearing this Brian Anthony's necklace. It's a little palm tree, and my hair is a slick back bun today. I'm not like dealing with it today. So I thought this was a cute look. It's giving ballerina. Yeah, I'm gonna get to do some TikToks today. I'm gonna do some homework again. I did not work on homework yesterday, so I had that little day off. I was editing a video though, which I still have to finish editing and upload soon. But yeah, that's pretty much like what I'm updating you guys with. It's been pretty uneventful. I've just been home, and yeah, we just went like grocery shopping yesterday, I think, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, I'm gonna be chilling at home. I don't even feel like going outside, to be honest. And here we are, just recording more content for TikTok and Instagram Reels, just for them to get lost in the algorithm, unfortunately. But anyways, that's not going to stop me from making more content. And I'm also watching Lena Mafuf's YouTube videos, which I love if you don't already know. I did my makeup for TikTok video, so I already have a full face of makeup now. Right now I'm actually trying to like do some homework. I'm watching The Matrix for my sci-fi class, which I have to like make a discussion for, so I have to watch it. It's like 2 hours long, but yeah, I hope I finish with that today. So I'm doing Yellow Dig and I have to like converse with everyone there. I think I am gonna go out soon, but yeah, I'm just trying to finish this up so I can have less homework to do. Hey guys, so I'm all ready to go to the gym. It's January 29th, I believe, and I decided to check the night before if there was yoga on the schedule, so I'm gonna go take a yoga class for today. It's an hour long, so I hope it's really good because I usually really like the yoga classes where I take them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get dropped off soon because it's gonna start soon, so I'm all ready. I'm wearing my Alo Yoga sweater that I've had for years already. And yeah, I hope it's not too cold today. But this is the outfit of the day. Alo Yoga sweater. I'm wearing these old Lululemon leggings I have that they're literally like deteriorating. And I'm wearing my Jacquemus Nike sneakers. I'm gonna remove my shoes and my socks anyways. I'm not worried about bringing sneakers specifically for the gym. I usually use my other Nike sneakers for the gym. So I just decided to wear these. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I am wearing a lavender shirt underneath that I wore for Pilates the other day. So I'm trying to like show you guys. Same purple shirt. I don't really have a lot of gym clothes, so kind of wear the same things over and over again. I would bring my camera to vlog, but I think I might take pictures in a gym with like my phone, like just little selfies, or I'll just record a little clip. I just don't think I'm allowed to bring a camera, and I don't want to like have issues with that, so I'm not gonna risk it. I'm probably just gonna take my phone and take a picture, snap a pic here too. I'll record when I come back. I'm definitely gonna take a good shower after this, and I'll probably clean my room and work on schoolwork, and that's pretty much it that I'm gonna do today. I'm back home and I took a shower. I also used a hair mask because I felt like it was time for me to use a hair mask. My hair has not been looking its best lately, so I used a hair mask, and I also used some of this bread hair cream along with some Gizu hair oil. So my hair is drying up, so hopefully it looks a lot better than before because it's been looking horrible lately. So that's why I had my hair blow dried for like a few days or weeks straight because I just couldn't deal with it anymore. And back to watching YouTube videos after I got home. So I'm about to start doing my homework because it's due tomorrow and I don't want to like be thinking about it tomorrow. I also need to start a new project for my film class, which is kind of annoying, but I'm also kind of excited for it. I'm gonna do it on like a sci-fi movie, and I'm also watching a little bit of Lena Muffo YouTube videos because I haven't watched them in a while and I'm obsessed with her. I thought, you know what, let's just watch a little bit of Lena, and yeah, I love her videos. Also, here's Champ just chilling on my bed. He loves just to lay down and be lazy, and he needs a haircut already, so I definitely need to book an appointment for that. But yeah, he's fuzzy for the winter. Right, Champ? But yeah, he's fuzzy for the winter. Champ, look! Champ. Hey, Champ. Champ. Hey guys, so it's a few days later because I actually unfortunately abandoned you guys for a few days, a couple of days. I've just been like hustling at doing my project draft for my school, my film class, so that has taken a lot of my time. I've been rewatching the movie I'm writing about. I've been like searching, digging through the internet, the Scholar, Google Scholar, just regular old internet, and I can't find anything. Like, I can barely find anything written about this movie. But anyways, I'm still working on my project. I have until tomorrow to submit it, so I'm probably gonna finish it today. If anything, I might like try and like really squeeze in more time for tomorrow, but I'm hoping to finish it today. I'm also going live soon, so I'm just prepping my little makeup station here to just get ready on live. I also bought this new setting spray. This smells incredible. It actually smells like marshmallows, and the packaging is so pretty. Like, I love the pink. It was like $10 on Amazon, so honestly, I think it is worth it because I feel like my makeup lasted longer than usual yesterday. And yeah, I have my Rode, my little makeup bag, everything here, and I'm ready to go live. I also squeezed in my computer in here, but I think I'm gonna take it out of here. I need to find my speaker for music, actually. But yeah, this is my little station right now. I just don't have like a spot to put my computer on because I want to leave that a little empty because I'm gonna put all of my makeup there. But yeah, I need to figure out where I'm gonna put my computer. You guys, here is another improper like outro for this video, but this is like the last day I included in my vlog. So my brother actually got tickets for my family and I to go see the New Jersey Devils. So this was my first time seeing a hockey game, so we went together, and honestly, it was pretty fun. It was really cool because, again, it's my first time. I've never done anything like this before. But yeah, we just walked around. We also got some really high up seats, which kind of gave me like anxiety when I first got in there.
I got cheese. Cheese.
Anyways, here are the high up seats. Like, they were honestly pretty high up. It just freaked me out for a bit when I first got in there. But anyways, I was filming to distract myself from that. But it was really cool to see all the hockey players come out. And I literally looked them up and I realized that I think none of them are literally from New Jersey. So I don't know what like is going on. But yeah, it was so loud in there too. It made me feel like I was at a nightclub with all these lights, like spotlights and like the smoke. I think it was a pretty long game actually, because I ended up having to leave like almost at the end of the game because we had things to do the next day, so we couldn't really stay out that late at night. But I ended up looking up the game online and New Jersey actually won, so that's awesome. I think they were playing against the Colorado Avalanche. But yeah, this is the end of my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm trying to like be more active on YouTube and trying to like make the best vlogs that I can possibly make. So if you guys want more, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.